This summer, the Mrs Wordsmith team had the absolute joy of visiting Greyfriars Academy in Kings Lynn for a hands-on illustration workshop that brought words and pictures together in magical new ways. Led by me, Jo Jackson, and Dan Permutt, our art director, the workshop showed students how pictures and words work hand in hand to tell richer stories. Dan and I kicked things off with a look behind the scenes, looking at how humour, clarity, and a little offbeat imagination can make even the trickiest words unforgettable. Then, it was time to roll up their sleeves. Guided step by step, the children learned how to draw two of our much-loved characters, Yin and Yang, and then made them their own. Using vocabulary words as inspiration, they brought their drawings to life, turning simple sketches into expressive, meaningful art. Suddenly, words like scrumptious and idyllic weren't just definitions, they were stories, emotions, and colour on the page.
I think it's good because for young ones, they can't really read and they might not be able to read it. So when they see the picture, it will help them understand what's going on. They don't have to, if they can't read yet.
It was a joy to see vocabulary come alive through art and to watch confidence and creativity grow before our eyes. We left Greyfriars Academy inspired by the students' talent, and we hope they left inspired by the power of words and pictures too. To bring the art of words to your school, visit mrswordsmith.com or email jo@mrswordsmith.com. We'd love to help your students bring their words to life.